What I'm going to do quickly, guys, is show you how to replace your spark plugs in your boat. I recommend doing it every single spring. I fog my motor when I winterize it, so it gets a little bit of black corrosion on there, because I fog it till the motor dies. It's a very simple fix. I mean, as far as just do it every spring. It's cheap enough. So on this 3.0, they give you two separate options for spark plugs. Okay, on the 4-cylinder 3.0, there's two spark plug options depending on what serial number your boat is. My boat took this spark plug. They're about $3 each. Good luck. It's a 5/8 to remove them. So the first one came out right here. We can see that. Second one, third and fourth. Very easy. So I usually recommend putting a spark plug grease on the spark plug so they don't get frozen in there, and so it's easy to put in there. But I've done it every year. Mine are just already so easy to put in. So I'm just putting this back in. You don't want to tighten it too tight. You don't want to strip out your block. So boom, that's one. But I'll use a ratchet to tighten it down even a little bit more. So I'm just going to snug it. Just snug. I'm not going to go too tight. I don't want to strip out the block. So there's one plug. Gonna plug that back in. I'm gonna go to the second one here. Take that off. And I'm gonna do the second one. Usually once it gets loose, you can pop the ratchet off and hand screw it out. There we go. As you can see, I got grease on there from last year. I think it's very important when you're putting them in to make sure you can hand screw them in, because if they're not going in easy, you're probably cross-setting, and that can really cause some damage to your block, and that can get expensive. There. Tight enough. Plug 2, done. Plug that back in. I'm going to third and fourth. There we go. There we go, and the final fourth one on the end of the block. And here we go. There we go. I just did 4 spark plugs. It took me about 6 minutes, probably a little longer because I'm holding this phone. So they're all on this side on the 4-cylinder. And if you're doing a V6 or a V8, they'd be on each side of the head. Good luck with that. If you like this video, please hit like or subscribe. Thank you.